umuntu ebuya endlini ecatshelwe ngumntwana.
Enzeni?
Umntwana engasamboni ukuthi ukuphi.
Oh, okay.
Ebese buza ukuthi umlimi uthini. Lwana umuntu wathi eqala ebuza, I thought it was a joke, but ngabona ukuthi no, umama lwana she's in pain. Usekhala ngoba yena wase 3 days engamboni. So yena the only thing that she wanted to know, umntwana lo usaphila ofile. Okuningi ngeke ndaba lokuthi location ungapi unga. Then I said, umntwana uyaphila. Then she said, no, it can't be. Umuntu lo le 3 days engamboni. Mayiphila, tell us the location. I said, okay. The location? But yeah, tell us the location. Then sambe sethatha umntwana. Then that's when I saw ukuthi hayi man, lento manje is not a joke. It's a serious thing. Then I said, okay, let us pray. We're praying. Funny thing, eyabuyayo ngama number. Then I said, these are the numbers abuyayo. Try to call this number. Those people bafonela ama number bathola ukuthi ngama number esibhedlela. Number esibhedlela. Bathi fona lizwe ukuthi bazathini. Babefona besithi umntwana lo umuntu onjalo ukhona olethwe ngomunye umuntu kuthiwa wachaya imota. But ukhona usaphila but ukukhoma